that moment when somebody says, okay, so how do I place a trade, right? Interesting. So this is what we're going to be talking about, how to place a trade in the market, whether you are placing a trade to buy or you are placing a trade to sell. I want to quickly show you on the trading application, the Metatrader, how to place a trade, right? First of all, you have this software here, and you could either come over to this section here where you have the market watch, right? Click on the instrument of choice, and then you see new order. You click on new order, and then this dialog box pops up. That's one. Also, in the area of the chart window, you can right click anywhere and then navigate to trading, and then you see new order. Click on new order, right? Also, over here where you have the terminal section, you can right click, you see new order, click on new order. So there are different ways for you to do what, for you to place a trade now. So anyhow you want to do it, let's just pick any of them. I can as well click on new order here at this top corner on the MT4, and then once I click on it, this dialog box is going to pop up. Now this dialog box is telling us that the first thing we have here is symbol, which is showing us all the instruments provided by the broker of choice, right? All the instruments provided by the broker of choice. If you need a regulated broker, a well-respected broker, you can look at the link below for the broker that you can make use of, right? Now also we have the volume. The volume here is talking about how much you are going to be putting on every trade, how much equivalent you're going to be putting on every trade. And there's actually a calculation for this volume. There's a calculation based on how to get the volume, based on how to get the lot size, based on how to get the trading size, the transaction size. Anyone you use will be the same, and we're going to give you that in another video to explain this to you thoroughly. Now we have stop loss and we have take profit. Stop loss is a way to protect your account, right, in order to minimize your losses, and then take profit is a way to acquire the profit that you have made thus far. Now look at it this way. Stop loss and take profit, I'll link also below the video that has already been done to show you how to calculate the stop loss and take profit properly. But I want to ask a quick question, and that is, which one do you think is more important? Is it the stop loss or is it the take profit? The truth now about life is that we should always be asking ourselves some key questions. Which one do you think is more important, stop loss or take profit? If you think about it very well, stop loss to protect the account, take profit to acquire the profit that you have made. Oh, I need to protect my account. That is more important. So stop loss is more important. I'm stating this right now because a lot of traders, they make that mistake of saying take profit because they want to make profit. But the truth now is that if you don't have any money in your account, then you can't do it. You can't make money. So the first thing you need to concentrate on is what is this stop loss, right? The first thing you need to concentrate on is this stop loss here and how to protect your account. Now, comment section here, it doesn't really matter what you put in the comment section. It's not going to affect the outcome of the trade. So most times I just ignore it. And then type over here, we have two types. We have the market execution and then pending order. Market execution simply means that we're placing this trade now. And then pending order means you want to place the trade at a later time. Now let me give you a quick illustration on this market execution and then pending order. If the price now is currently at 100 and you want to enter now, what price will you be using for market execution? Of course, you'll be using 100. But if it is for pending order, meaning that you are placing a trade at a future price, it means that you could be placing a trade whether it's much higher than 100 or much lower than 100. But you are not going to be entering at 100 using pending orders, right? I'm going to put a link as well to the description in the description section of the video that has already been done based on how to set pending orders. Now look at what we have over here. We want to show you how to place a trade now. So we're going to click on market execution, right? For market execution, you can see sell by market here. So this is the price for selling, and you can look very well. The prices keep on fluctuating based on the activities in the market now. And this here for buy, this is the price that we have for buy here. So we could either be clicking on sell or clicking on buy, right? So this, of course, it's a demo account, and of course also this is just to show you how to place a trade now. So if I click on buy or I click on sell, the trade is actually going to trigger, and then you're going to see it pop up in this area here. You can see the profit is rating 0 here, simply because there is no open trade. There is no trade that has been triggered, that has opened yet. So let's do something mini, money, more. And we click on buy. Voila. You can see that there's a trade running now and there's an aspect of profit, right? So this is something that we have just done over here. We have now shown you how to successfully place a trade now, right? Which is market execution. For pending order, don't forget to check the description in the link, or rather check the link in the description. Sorry about that. And then of course, you should see how to do what? How to use the pending orders. And also in the same description, you will see another link on how to calculate the stop loss and the take profit. Let's do that again one more time. You could also come here and then right click, and then you have a new order. Click on the new order. This dialog box pops up over here. You remember you have all the symbols, instruments, and you have the volumes over here. There's a calculation for this, and we'll make another video showing you how to calculate for the volume, which is also known as the lot size or transaction size or trading size and so on, right? So don't forget, we use the market execution option to place a trade now. So don't forget, you could either be clicking on sell or clicking on buy. If I click on sell right now, don't forget now also over here for the symbols, this is the USD card, and here we have the AUD USD, right? This one we clicked on buy. Let's click on sell here and see what happens. Sell. And that's what we have over here. We just sold this one USD card, and you can see we have a second trade running over here. Once again, you can do that for another instrument. Right click there, or don't forget, you can do the same thing here. Right click, go to trading, click on new order, or click on new order here at this top corner, or right click inside here where you have the terminal, go to new order. Anyhow you want to go about it, you can change the instrument of choice. It's your choice at the end of the day, depending on what you are interested in. And don't forget, for now, this volume, there's a calculation for it. So I would always advise to use the smallest volume, which is 0.01. Yes, 0.01 for now. And then of course, till you watch the video on how to calculate this properly, which has to do with your account balance, right? You can now come here, you can click on sell or click on buy. So this is just to show you basically how to place trades in the market, right? I want to believe that this was straightforward. You can watch this video over and over again. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notifications on when newer videos, more educational videos are dropped to help you to understand the market much better. Because this here is the basics. And if you don't understand the basics, how would you understand the other side of the business when you have to start actually carrying out your daily analysis in order to place trades the proper way? You can see what we did now. We didn't place trades the proper way, more or less. We just showed you, oh, many, money, more, and so on. But analysis is very key. So please pay attention to this video. Watch it a couple of times. If you have any questions, comment in the section below. You could also comment that I just subscribed, and then we'll reply you, and then we get the conversation rolling, and then we'll see what we can do for you further. If you'd like to see any particular video as well, comment below and we'll see what we can do for you. Thank you, everybody. It has indeed been a pleasure. Enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye.